Alright, hi guys. Today we are going to go over how to make a pie chart or a circle graph online. We're going to be using Excel today. So to get started over here, we have all of our different data in each of these rows. So I've already gone ahead and entered in all of our numbers from our survey. If you have not done that already, you're going to need to. We have the flavors here, and then how many students prefer that flavor, and then the total down here. So when creating your pie chart, the first step is you're going to need to highlight the information that you want included in your chart. So we're not going to highlight the total, and that's because we don't want the number 60 in there. That's going to mess up our data, so we don't need that. We're going to go to Insert, and then over here we have all of our different charts. We're going to go to the pie chart icon, and then it drops down to different pie charts. So we have donut, 3D pie, 2D pie, and when you hold or hover, it will pop up a little box, and it kind of gives you a description of the chart, what it can be used for. So that's pretty easy and helpful for you guys to decide what kind of chart you should be using. Today, we're just going to go with a standard 2D pie chart, okay? So now we have it. It has a lot of our information or data already on here, but there are a few things that we still need to add to our chart, okay? Because it's still missing some stuff. So up here, we have different designs. But we're going to go to add chart element over here. Okay, and we need a title because our chart, right now it just says students, but the title of a chart should represent what it's about. And I don't think that students really covers it. So we're going to do student, let's go with student ice cream preference. Okay, I think that's a better title. We also need to show what each part is as a percent. So when you just hover over it, it will tell you here what the section is and the percent, but when you click away or when you go away, it's not there. So we need to add that in permanently. So you can go back to add chart element, okay, and we need data labels. But the thing that you guys need to be careful about is these data labels right here, they add in our numbers, but these numbers are not our percentages, okay? These just represent how many students prefer that flavor. So if you go to data callout, that is going to give us our correct percentages, and it also adds in what specific ice cream as well. So just click on that, and now it's going to be there. And then you can go through up top here. If you want to change the design of your chart, make it however you like, you can customize it. There's a lot more of different options. You can also change the formatting of any of the text on here, make it bigger, smaller, however you want, which is one of the good things about using a digital tool like this. It's very versatile. You can make it in so many different ways, different even types of pie charts where you might not be able to as easily if we were drawing this by hand. And you know, when you're drawing things by hand, things can get a little bit inaccurate, but this allows us to keep everything nice and accurate, organized, and easy to read. So again, this is our pie chart, and that is how you create one digitally using Excel. Thank you very much.